Today we're showing you a Massey Ferguson 253 two-wheel drive tractor. The tractor was traded in locally here. As you can see, the paint on it is pretty much gone. Certainly could use a paint job. It does have some exterior fuel leaks here around the engine. Overall, the tractor does run and work. Check the notes in the listing there for the exact rundown of the tractor, but overall it's a usable tractor, but certainly has some flaws here, as you can certainly see. Tires are good back here. Somebody put an aftermarket valve on the back here. This is one of our budget-friendly tractors, so we'll sell as is, where is, just the way you see it here. If you have questions on the unit, please feel free to contact us. If you're looking for a nice, cheap brush hogging tractor, this might be the right fit for you.